Entry number 21 in the Journeyman Division. Hiccup and Toothless. 3 years ago, we were delighted by the story of a boy who learned how to train a dragon. And as we all know, it began with one single moment. From How to Train Your Dragon, Sukuni and Tyler Mann, Hiccup and Toothless. Entry 21, Journeyman.